Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew, and in today's video, we are going to be incubating quail eggs. So we're going to be starting over with a brand new animal that I've never had any experience raising on our homestead, but we're going to be throwing some hatching eggs that I got from a company called Tully River Quail. He's a real nice guy based in Reading, PA. And I got some Coturnix jumbo quail hatching eggs. We're gonna put them in my Magic Fly incubator. And I made some, I got some adjustments that I'm gonna be doing to the incubator to hopefully have a more successful hatch rate than I did previously in my last video where I hatched my first chicken eggs from our very own chickens here in our backyard. So without further ado, I'm gonna get to putting these quail eggs in our incubator and get them going. They should be start hatching between days 15 and 18, so they're a lot quicker, a few days quicker than the chicken eggs are, which take 21 days. So anyway, we're gonna get those eggs hatching, and hopefully by the end of this video, we will not only have a whole bunch of quail hatched, but we will also have to have a quail hutch for them to live in put together, because I haven't done that yet. So we've got a lot of things to do to get ready for all of these quail, but first I have to hatch them, so let's do that. All right, so I know I'm probably not in the frame here, but that doesn't matter. This is the inside of my Magic Fly incubator, and this box is full of quail eggs. So I am going to, so here's how tiny these quail eggs are, and this is a jumbo quail egg, so this is even a little bit bigger than a normal sized quail egg. I am going to have to adjust these guys here to make sure that these fit in right, because if they're too tight they won't roll. So that one is good. So I'm gonna start pulling out these quail eggs here and putting them in. Not that hard so they don't crack them. Oh, these eggs are adorable. I've read that it takes approximately 3 of these quail eggs equals 1 chicken egg. These are very, very cute looking eggs. Hopefully I could fit one more in there. There we go. I got 25 of these quail eggs. So, there we go. If I could do 5 rows of 5, they will fit all of them in here. There we go. There we go. I should have 6, 10, 14, 19, plus 5. So is that 24? So 2 dozen quail eggs. Let's see how we do this time. So something I added for this hatch is a small digital hydrometer to keep better track of the temperature and humidity in here. So I'm going to try to keep it at 50% humidity all the way through until lockdown, which will be on day 14, I believe. And on day 14, I will take out the rolling tray here. And then I'm going to use my brand new Magic Fly egg handler, which I'll put a link for this down in the show notes below this video, along with that little hydrometer as well. But this one, this Magic Fly egg handler is super cool. And you could flip this guy around. So this is for a small sized quail egg, but if you wanted to do a larger egg like a chicken egg, you could just flip it around and whoop. So you could put the larger size duck egg, quail egg, or larger egg. You could put a larger egg on it like that. So I am excited to use this. And then, yeah, on day 14, we will candle them and see which ones have developed and which ones haven't. We'll get rid of the bad ones and keep the other ones in to hatch. So we are all set. I'm gonna put the lid on my incubator. I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna start with 100 milliliters of water, and then we'll put the lid on and set the temperature. All right, here's some water. And we're gonna put this lid on. So we plugged it in. We're gonna set the temperature. All right, guys, now it's day 15 with my quail eggs. I'm gonna take them all out of the incubator and candle them real quick and see which ones have developed and which ones haven't. I'm gonna use my new cool Magic Fly egg candler, and we're gonna do that together. And then I'm gonna take out the egg turner in there and put them all flat in the tray. And hopefully over the next few days, we'll start to have our first quail start to hatch. So let's go check out these eggs and see how they did.
What are you doing?
If the light doesn't shine through, that usually should mean
they're not fertile.
Yeah, this one I can see a little bit.
Yeah, does that mean they're not fertile?
Not necessarily. I'm gonna keep that one in there. See this one?
Yeah.
It like totally lights up. That one's not fertile. So that's just a unfertile quail egg. I did this one. Yeah, see that one? Nothing lights up.
That means it's not ready to see the land yet.
That one didn't light up. Oh.
No, no rain yet. Dad's lighting up the egg.
See, what do you think? Is this one?
Wow! Look at that, Mommy.
What does that mean, Lucy, if it lights up like that?
It means that there's baby chicken there.
Nope, it means there's not.
Oh yeah, that's it.
There's nothing developed, so this one we'll take out. Wow, that's pretty good. Alright.
Some of the eggs didn't even develop.
Oh, it's hard to see through there.
There's
one. Tell them what happened, Lucy. Oh yeah, one of them is black, isn't it?
Oh,
The little quails are hatching.
Titi.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah.
Aww.
I see them. Oh, now they're all friends. Good thing we didn't have to go there.
There's a egg in the back that's rocking right there. Looks like there might be one hatch out of there. Alright, go ahead.
We just had 3 eggs. I just saw 1 hatch.
What day is it of our quail incubation?
17.
Day 17. Okay.
What am I doing? Are they playing like friends or the coloring up?
They're so tiny. Maddie, ow, why are you pushing me? What do you have to say about all this? Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, Mommy. Ooh, it's like a titty. They have the chicken.
Hi,
Dad.
baby quails. They just woke up. They're so cute.
Eat it. Oh, look at that one.
I see some more cracks in there. Say it again. Say, chickens, I love you.
Take it. I love it.
Aww. So about half of the quail eggs have hatched, and the ones that have hatched already have been in there for almost 2 days. So I'm gonna get them, the ones that have hatched, out of the brooder, out of the incubator, and put them in the brooder. And I had to stop at Tractor Supply and get one of these. This is like a quail like watering cup. It's really small. I didn't even know that they sold these, but I was glad that they did, because I needed to get another feeder and waterer, because I already have other baby chicks with the only ones that I had in the chicken tractor over there. So I needed to get, so I got them a special quail waterer, and I got another feeder for them, and I'm going to get them over to the brooder now, because I have more chicken eggs that I need to put in the incubator. I have some lavender Orpington eggs that need to go in. It's been about 7 days at least. They've been sitting. They need to go in before it gets too long that they've been sitting out. So the quail are going to go in the brooder, and I might leave the other eggs that haven't hatched yet in with the other chicken eggs. Give them a few more days to hatch, and hopefully we'll have a couple more quail. But right now I'm going to get them in before it gets dark, so let's get to it. Oh, they're coming out. Yeah, look at them fly out. Be careful. Oh, they're fast. I'm gonna have to put the lid on this for sure. Help grab the ones in there that can't get their way out. Just be very gentle. Good. Try to help them find the water. Yeah, good job. So this one's like really weak.
Yeah, Daddy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Got
You should get
9.
more. I gotta get the other ones back in.
Yeah. Can I hold one?
Try. Be very gentle. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Oh my goodness. Hi. They're so tiny. Aww.
Welcome to the world.
Alright, go.
Looking at me.
Yeah. They're so small.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video on hatching our very first quail. I've really enjoyed having them over the last 2 weeks. They've been in the brooder for about 2 weeks. They're starting to grow and get some nice little feathers. They're still very small. Probably going to wait another 2 weeks until I put them out in their new quail hutch, which I've put the base of it together. It's not very pretty. I want to paint it white, I think, but I got to finish that up. I got another 2 weeks to do that, so I got some time, but they're doing really good. I like having them. They make different kind of bird calls that I'm used to than my chickens. They're starting to get a little bit more vocal. Kind of cool. I like having them. I think I'm going to enjoy having the quail. I'll do another update video when they move out of the brooder into their new hutch. I'm sure I'll do that in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video on hatching our first quail, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. All right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, so the hail have quatched. Wow, let's start that over.